Emagaro bengi omwancho murigere bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mugusiye karangwege namna litkoria uri abere ritoere kegima nabo kwa bere go kwego kya asemiro berionsi ye litkoria rero ekero chire chitarike meronko ebere na isano na isato cyo mutienyi ogatano na kabere omwaka no igwechirwe ibere na meronko ebere nebere ekero bono amatkagenderete kwengya kegima eryo bochori obonene gokorekana ime yense ya Kenya chinga kichingi ekero yaragirense yemo yabono mugorobe kerongo kwarigania eryo nkomanye nara yayankwariganeretie asenchira ere yobwikiranu nyora nabakondera gutubwate asensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News nawe igase website yaito ni gora tunyore wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke nabo ogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendrego kumanya manke Amayia Ensa Eyemo senchira yobwikiranu tigana kumanya negatiara nararia yankwariganeretie ase obuyenge.
The scheme now takes those of you who have certificate. It's moving your salary from 12,000 to 23,000.
Abari mubayisidi korwa serikali ya county ya Kisii komentwe nengo.
Katogo sabo marembe chinga kichobo choli kero yo morwe nyumba yao oiche oake kuraso bororo
baraibechi kanisa kugania botoereru nabo igo moremba sobo chori obonene.
And so as AstraZeneca, we're working towards a future where everyone has access to sustainable healthcare solutions.
Ninsi ya Kenya konyora chimashini chogo pima maroire au kurwase kampani ya AstraZeneca. Ayamana yanda mango mwancho murigere ringo kwariga ninkomanye bunankwariganirete asenchera ere yobwikiranu bunankwariganirete korwa semesa yito Amayia Ensa Eyemo iri tariane Evelino Sero urtokubatranere kwenekia awekera sensemo yimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta kabana ntwikomoero toko chaka Amayia Ensa Eyemo nigo tokoya chaka korwa se county ya Kisii awase abaorokia gosabari mu bayisidi korwa se serikali ya county ya Kisii babere bagotwara omogoko neye magega yo mugavana we county ya Kisii James Onkwae kobainekeri na nigo barachi komentwa MSR yabo na nene kuri kwa permanent ya serikali ya county ya Kisii.
The scheme of service that I had recommended when it was approved, I have now directed that it be implemented fully. The number of teachers, and it is at 3 levels. You have the first level, the certificate level. Those of you who have certificates. We have those of you who have diplomas. And we have those of you who have degrees. Out of this, we have 382 of you who have got certificates, 497 have got diploma, and 83 have got degree certificates. And for that, I congratulate you because I know quite a number of you, the diploma in the diplomat cadre, and a number of you, those who have certificates. I'm suspecting that quite a number of you are actually doing degree programs. Yes. So this scheme of service now, for those of you who have certificate, your current salary is 12,000. For those of you who have diploma and degree, it's at, because it was a nominal amount that was given at 14. But the scheme now takes those of you who have certificate. It's moving your salary from 12,000 to 23,000. For the diploma, we are moving your salary from 14,000 to 31,730.
Abantu bamenyete no borema korwase county ya Kisii ritkoria rero nigo baumirana asensemo ya Kiogoro awasi baba bagukwanerwa no yokorigia ekirgo kyobo senator se county ya Kisii Richard Onyonga oyobagania kumusira aseganga yaya nako bainekere bunanigo arachi kubenyora chinga kichobora ibuaye Onyonga boigo nigabaga kumwakireko ko Simbarati oyokorigia ekirgo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii wetera se kya makia ODM umurike itonde mo Stephen noroboti urwasenchira yobuime.
Asomo sangerekano yo kisiasa niga baraibechi miachi abantu babwato barema koru chibonge kianda chia Kisii banyora chinga kichinto ero ruchogo sange birengeri byabo nababwata ni ba kisiasa ba Simbarati.
We were very much humbled to bring us on board. This is so because our votes counts, and our votes are not disabled.
Gati yemiroberi baganiritina muno korosiku kwa machiko yo kwegerera abantu babwato borema chiskuru chia bene kwegwe biroko byo buraime county konyora insurance ya nyagitari gati ya magani ande.
As Kenya yaito, if there is a region where educational institutions chitayo chia disability nguzi in the whole of Kisi Ntobuati school ego take care of the physically handicapped.
Richard Momoimonyonka na Doris Donya Aburi mbaru eire yokwene kivuna amagani y'abantu babwato borema nanyare goisane kigu baise go chorwa se birogo byo burayi ime county.
If Simba Arati was destined to be governor, he's going to be governor. He's going to help you. He's going to change our lives, and we are going to be happy.
Katika hii serikali ya Simba, kwa sababu yeye ni Simba, tutamwambia bwana Simba, shughulikia hao Wakenya maalum, wapatiwe haki yao kama Wakenya. Mwanjie kuwaza Simba wake alambe kaunti ya Kisii. Hebu nionyeshe kwa mkono tafadhali.
We do not want to have a county where people are discriminated against simply because of their status or simply because of their ability or inability. Once the elections are over in the next 2 weeks, it will take us about 30 days, and we will engage yourselves as the stakeholders so that we can now sit, put everything on pen and paper.
Inse yechiwikibire goika sobo chorio bonene nigo bona abantu bari bwato bari mabanyarire gwesoki nakotera buna kura chiabo njibwati bole mana gosabona bari bakorigie birogo au kunyara gwesoki na korigia magani yabo kuripota igitaseni kia Ndizi TV Elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Abarai be kanisa ya Adventista ya Sunshine kutoka sensemo ya daraja 2 myomocho busongo nigo baganiria abakenya gusabirana ntanene kweneke murembe chinga kieciga siasa chigendrete kubwata inse ukona chinga kiecyo bego nigo baganiria abasaye kuba maiso eryo tibatume kwabo bena bana siasa bunenjiremo yo gusegeta chiburaburu ayo munaenda mangeti gatego natwariganira numbu nikito Vincent Onyancha
n'abageni be kanisa ya Sunshine SDA daraja 2 kaunti ya Kisii. Abakristo be kanisa yoni go baganirio moremba sobo choria bone buri busio nakogania barebe kanisa ko mustari busio asokoraria omorembe
na mono nyango saba bonsi abakristo bonsi abakenya usi tutuaro morembe asichikura cheito omorembo ite kura yao oyeru asomorembe oyora akere kura no Nyasaye chorire chori wekirange bona basaye to basabanga timotume kabo basinge chabo chori timoreta chibura buru osechisegi engage yabo chori
gatogo saba omorembe chinga kichiobo chori kero yo morwe nyumba yao oiche oake kura sobwororo na kigima ekero omorembo yokoba abantu buna bangina na abana iga bakonyora ububuyo bonene kiagara na bwa abantu baguchandika chinga kichiobo chori
nigo chinga kiechyo babolya bakchikura wesoke na gochora baraistariki kyanda umutinyo 5 na 3
ando bochori bwabere irange bochori no bwa muimwe to kubarangiri mwensi moikera na singe yo bochori Nyasaye atokonye tutwale serikali iranyare guturusia sitore na gutubika asara arunge
ekura yao nererarae umurayi gochorwa kura serikali ya mambia igo basai bali bali sikobata bwati ogokani gwe kwake kura ndabatenga genda mwake kura because muri kwake kura wachoro umurayi umuronge utagitie kura ngo wachoro umurayi utatageti
ayonka gendrete niko baratwaro gusangirire kwa bene kitarikia 30 litukulie Jumamosi asibaganiria basamaria bayako basira litukelio elikane kingo kora barobwa gachi wekaniseyo
na ndito kubatebia nga into Sunshine yaiga ntogendrete kuna kuagacha bunando mochama nibwa magacho ndobwa to gusangirira kitarikia 30 bali babwate enkolengia na bagocha bagenderera goto support elinde elie kanisa ye enyore asa abantu bagusasimiragia
kanisa ya Sunshine ndobwate sadaka ya bene elinde kwa kachi kanisa yaito kuna morochi kanisa yaito bado nereinse tusabanga bali babwato moyo muyane enkolengia baratokonye tokonye twagache kanisa yiga abantu batata bakariki banya kwa basangira oro etage jetogere 3.5 million kubeke kanisa yiga tunyumore goro nainse
kanisa yetu ya Sunshine ntotwale special offering chitarikia 30 cy'umutienyi oyo saba igatogo saba bali bale no gwancho kuya gakimoiche motokonye ikiagero manene natagitasa asimu ase nyombengiya
na mono ase kanisa yetu ya Sunshine ndotwale ogosangireria itake 30 kerora nya gwakunirwe noe no bosibori bwogo jana orante sadaka yao.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV kurose kanisa ya Sunshine daraja 2 imeje kaunti ya Kisii. Riterane nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Omurwanereria bwekerogo kyobo chumbe ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku ritkoria rero nigabaga kumirana nabasae korwase ebito byonsi byo wakachikura asenseme yo ya Nyaribari Masaba asabaga kubagania kumubwatia eriyo gochakoreta magendro asenseme yo chinga kya basabu na baraba bakorwa amagani abo alibaganitie goikirani wa chinga kichoburai bogoswa muri keto milred momanyi norobati orwa senchira yobuime.
Ikomi nerimo naro amatuko atigaire eliogo ikali tukolina na liobochori ime ya Kenya chitariki kianda omotienyi olebosio omwakoyo chingaki abarai balene kerundo kyomwaelio gokwana na bananchi. Omogoko netengo nigo byaine kigwa ase omochoye Dr. Daniel Manduku ase gati abasaye korwakera ase egetuogyo gwaka chikura gose polling stations au beso kya kurwa ase ime ya Nyaribari Masaba eliogo chiako mobwate si Dr. Manduku elioko ba omobui bwekerogo kyobo bunge ase barwa amagani abo ekero Manduku arabe omobui achieko baikeraneria
Mandukoyo na baraba mapa ibate kwanza akengero kwa bori masimbo mozimo Oye, ya basae, tokwa basae no robeta ibatare nya, wakira bobe ke metiana le kane.
Okretiendo guna CDF business loans. Sasa tia basa barosi chigurupu wa assistant finance chigurupu wa
abasae bale gaiga, abata bana bake, batalika na ambassadors, abana bale bana ba so much school, balika na ambassadors. Wanu kuna kwa nari, au tupokale tipase.
Dr. Daniel Manduku nigo abainekeria aliara chiego ikeraneria abasayabo gati yabo kubabekera wifi litukolia Jumatatu ase hall ya CDF ime ya Masimba gati ya yanda mange ekerobara chieko machora
kubabeka inumna basaye ase CDF muichora CDF mwabange motenendre chibasari abana baino banyore chiswesa cyogosoma mwanjira magana yo Ongo bayigorera ICT hub in Masimba. Na ICT hub ite ko ganya tuwa kikura. Monday ngobe kande wifi Masimba. Ngoba bekerane chibesa mogo sabe loni bakorere bonchoro limo kore gesa bene.
Gati yabali abaikirana ase omoyego yobwa basaye ngamono yokoboria ekerogo kyobo senator Omoske Omingo Magara Oyo koboria ekerogo kyobo woman rep Jacqueline Karani amono yokoboria ekerogo kyobo MCA kurwa Masimba Ward Josephat Meraba kati abande abange ase bamwakera ekoko Manduku ase baigo Manduku nere airali bagerio kweyakera ekoko
kwenda chichiro kugora ngombe okora likongo goseri tororo Manduku nari kongo Eri bakongali agenda ka Kero monto taretisa akobe abantu 20 bangakere kura abantu barenga
Mwenye tumwesikie mwataga asengecho yo mheshimiwa Manduku Ngoro kingo chukura cho mheshimiwa Dr.
Ayal bari mgamwe Mwa ngino simwaje muitabia Mwa kwa
Bwana manigo abasaye kurwe bunge nyali bali masaba kurwa kere polling station besokirie eliyoko mwamagoro Dr. Daniel Manduku oyokorie ekerwa kyobo bunge kurwa gaiga nyali bali masaba kingo reporter ya egeta senki Ndizi TV kurwa gaiga e constituency nyali bali masaba elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mia mono murike ito Mildred Momanyi ase orbotururu ikiranu koru ase ebunge ya Nyaribari masaba tokogenda ase county ya Nyamira nigo omubunge bwebunge ya Burabu oyoba igokoriye kirogo kyobo governor ase county ya Nyamira Ben Momanyi litukolya rabaga kwena na ebasi gocha ase school ya secondary ya Nyansiongo unenchira yemo yogo kinya kisemi asibo igabaga kubwatoka chibasari gocha ase abarokiwa bali bakoru ase chiamate kitari kwenyara chinga kiecho nigo boigo abaga kuboria abanyibe chinsemi cyo kumubwatsi ya aseganga yayo muri kitokora se county ya Nyamira job manki norboti urwaso wime
Peni Momanyi na ameingia. Kwa hivyo hao walimu wako hapa na wanafunzi wale mko hapa surrounding, mwambie wazazi wenyu kwa sababu mtakuwa mmefunga kwamba Gavana ni nani? Gavana nani? Agwa.
2016 or thereabout with the deputy president, when we came for fundraising for our parish, I promised to give part of the money from CDF, and the deputy president promised to give the balance so that we bring the bus. The same year, I did give my contribution, but towards elections, of course, we were in different political formations. He could not honor the pledge. I now decided that I do this pass alone. At the end of the day, when we go for elections, watu wataangalia ile kasi nimefanya Borabu hii, and I'm confident that come 9th of August, many people have, of course, through what I've done, I'm sure hiyo kiti tunatafuta 374 total ovens and 648.
Nechinga kiyama twagendrete gusika keima eriense ya Kenya gokora obochori obonene oburobire okorekana stariki kianda cyo mutinyo 5 na 3 omwako yega nigo abarwanirira bebirogo au bagendete kuboria abakenya kuraria omorembe anene bosipo obochori obonene ani obaya kwana asensemo ya nyama wa parish chinga kibaumirana nabangi nabarabwatani bedini yege Catholic natokumanyiwa nomurikeito Josephat Amisi.
Ise ya matuko ikomena limo ayatigarite eliense ya Kenya yareko bage gosoa ase obochori obonene ono abarai ao nigo bagirito ko baba gwesokia eliokoraria omorembe anene chinga kichiri che campaign aboigo lituko linene liobochori cha Samarieta gongoro kwa Charles Chwe Matoki egente kenena chinga kichiga tubwato obochori bure busio igo togosaba omorembe ande go twacha siginche gotebia bangina aba mama baitu batusabire ekanisa ebe kipaumbele asugoto sabera rinde tutwara omorembe tutagete chisarakasi buna chiri twaroraga ATC saba murabande bachoba gacha koleta chisarakasi achinga kichiga tigatusabira ense yaito ya Kenya erinde keregento kagende bia parish ya Nyamagwa abarai ao kurwa se county ya Kisii abagende to bakoriye birogo nigo banyara ko bakomerana amo na abangina anene ase kiombekeri kia mama kwa mama ase banyara ko bakubasemia na kubagane banyara ko bagwesokia ase obonge elinde banyara ko bagwakera chikura abarai bali banyara ko bakoenekia na wikirania amagani abo
atira matuka make toso ase chikura obocholi botogo chikokora igotogo saba go morembe morembe ogochaka n'omuntu omanyana korwaria asare abali aitanaine go morembe oyo iga togosaba tutangane Nyasaye ase chikure chire moto tomanye ngatare ati sabune koera bali baraba amate baito bali tonchokanaine gutigara bali ko baba amate baito edukeria so kwenda kwagure kebiriti tareti sabune kwera na no gocha gochia
tutete elections chomorembe tutagete elections kero monta eguri baga aoni chinyanya chiae eburuburu ndo kwenye taka Kisii County tuteta abantu bomorembe tubange Kisii County neko nyareka bono abagusi bakunyara gwaka chikura bya head of secretariat nyanzengi bono mo CS obochabo ba appoint na William Samoei Ruto okwegora chinkoro chino mu mwakire cyo
Kakabana mtu mukanga chose engakia nyata teriye ndonge ande tuli korosa baba tene ganyete ya nega asianya sai torali byoborai bweigoro ayande senaje ndaribo
reporter ya Ndizi TV kore county ya Kisii literana Josephat Amisi
abaunchoreri korwa sechiro ya miruka iyo gotoka se wodi ya Amayia ebunge ya West Mugrango ime county ya Nyamira ritkoria rero nigo baba konyoro bosemya gose amaigerio igoro yo gwetanga korwa se ebinyinyi bya corona ibigendrete kwenekiwa ime Ensa ya Kenya umuroberio obagokora wa serikali ye county ya Nyamira wetrase wizara y'obachenu nabayigo ekiombe kya Amref.
As a county, we are doing well because we are at 36%, above the national percentage of 32%. So ours is still to reach out to as many people as possible so that we achieve the 100% target. But we are well placed as a county in matters of sensitization and reaching out to the people to actualize.
Aseri tukolia lero etwaye koleraga igase miruka sechiro lakini terminating anoye kuchikoeraga iga eto kire facility itere Nyamira nguchireko kubage kurwa so ye chanjo ya vaccine ande twate bidia bantu baitu bonse bibanyamira bagende asobonge banyare konyora vaccine kirantu gwata mariogo. Our national government together with the Amref and our partners and the county government twensi bingubwatena natole torenga kiro muntu rio konyore chanjo oyenyori kamaranje singa kichini chikura twababuririe asobwororo munyare ko bomugo singatia bukubwatia amachikali arure ne Minister of Health.
Kiwayo mo oyo korete amatemwa ye class kya 5 na 3 asereta Emily Kerbondie ki korenta chigosoa ase school ya secondary kubwatukana nobutaka obubwatete e amate yabo ni gobono anyoriro bokonyi bwo gochia kwegendereria na masomaye eyamagega yo mwarimu monene we school ya secondary ya Ibacho amona bateneni be school eyo komwanchira gochia gosoa school eyo ire kwegendereria asa masomayo mnanda mange ni gotwarganire numurikeito Brighton Makori.
Nonye serikali kendete kubika imirubiri ya bene erikwene kimunango sirere gisemi ya sense yetu ya Kenya mbare goikabono bataraikera gisemi echo. Omwana Emily Kerbondie nigo yabeiro bosoku anene ekero anyaririga kobaisiko gesaga korete amatemwa ye kirasi kya 5 na 3 abu asanyorete amagisichimisato emeronge 5 na 5 nomo kulende niga beirigeka ekeratanya kugenda eskuru. Bono omwana oyo niga bwatokosemeria maiga y'omwarimu monene bw'eskuru ya Ibacho Viribochoi amo ne committee y'eskuru eyo barigireti nambuya baende boyo omwana oyo na gochaka masomaye ase eskuru eyo.
The parents were not able to bring her forth that they were not able to pay school fees. She did her examination from Nairobi where the parents were staying. And they had their own challenges. They were not able to raise school fees and make arrangements for her to go to school. Until the grandparent, who is standing on my left, came to my school to tell me that the grandchild is in school and at home and she's not able to join secondary school. So in my capacity as a principal of the school and as a father and a person who has got the heart to assist human beings where we can, I've offered her an opportunity to be in our school.
Mokonyi bu mwalimu monene bwe school eyo ya Ibacho Benina Maugo nere niganyareka otabuna ekera abana bakohendera kubaisiko nige koboboso kuwa bonene anene omwana omunyaruka asabolirie ababwatani abaya gose bali bwato moyo muya kumosira omwana oyo kogendera na masomo aye.
As you know, girl child has got many problems, especially when she's left at home. There are so many challenges. There are men who are looking for her. Even when she wants to move out of the compound, it becomes so hard. How I pray that friends and relatives and any well-wishers, please assist this girl so that she can be able to go to school and possibly where she will be a border, so that she can avoid these many challenges that she might get on the way when she's going to school.
Josephat Gisemba nsokoro yaye omwana oyo iga ekwerera buna nigo babwate emechando emenene eyi yairire buna omwana oyo koba isiko aseka egatindi.
Huyu tuko naye hapa ni mjukuu yangu. Yeye iko kwa shule. Alikuwa anasoma standard, alimaliza 8. Bila alimaliza 8 mpaka kwa wakati huu hajaenda shule kwa sababu ya karo. Kwa hivyo sasa ndio mimi nashughulikia tu, naangalia huko na huko, sina namna, sina kitu. Mali ile nilikuwa naye imeisha. Mimi ni mgonjwa, mama ni mgonjwa, hatuna nguvu yoyote. Na ule papa yao alikuwa na yeye ana kazi.
Ngolipoteli egetaseni Ndizi TV iretherane Brighton Makori.
Miamano murikeito Brighton Makori ase oroboti oru Nyamira wasina kumanya bunani baunchorera korwa se chiro ya miruka eyo gotoka se ward ya Nyamira ya West Mugrango litukolia lero babakonyo semia igoro gwetanga korwa se ebinyinyi byenyama gose corona byo bigendereta kwenekiwa emergency ya Kenya no murobire bogo kwariganiwa ye county ya Nyamira wetrase wizara yobochenu nabayigo foroboti rwa senchira yobekirano nigo twariganire no muri keito job monkey
ogwetanga korwase amarwaire nokweng'encho kobwa okoligia okobwenigwa abonchoreria abechiro ya miruka igotoka ase county ya Nyamira mbanyora esegeto igoro yobuya bokobetwa echanjo yowetanga korwase oboroire bw'ebinyinyi bya COVID-19
Tubaitu bonse biba Nyamira bagende asobonge banyare konyora vaccine kira tugwata mariogo.
Omwaziri w'abachenu ase county ya Nyamira Gladys Momanye nateba bamenyi Amayia Ensa na merongo ebere na babere chiribu babetirwe echanjo asababu ate ekerengo yogoikera bamenyi gwetani chiribu timisato
sibingubwatira natole torenga kiro muntu rio konyora echanjo oyenyori eto kire facility itere Nyamira nguchereko kubage kurwa so echanjo ya vaccine.
Asasa baba Kenya kubwati amachiko yogwetanga kurwase ebinyinyi bya COVID ekeroge chinga kiechi chiobochori obonene
kamaranje singa kechi ni chikura twababuririe asobwororo munyareko bomugo singatia bokubwatia amachikali arure ne Minister of Health.
Mokonyi wa County Commissioner we County ya Nyamira Julius Owino natogia county ya Nyamira asogo ikera ekerengo ekenene kyabamenyi bali banyorire echanjo ya COVID.
As a county we are doing well because we are at 36% above the national percentage of 32. So ours is still to reach out to as many people as possible so that we achieve the 100% target.
Ase abagakorwa ekuro entindi gochiase bali bakonia ebinyegwa byo gotindi biri bitancheiri.
Very serious crackdown. Hapa Miruka mpaka ilikuwa Nyegesa na kwengine tutavamia. And I mean business when I'm saying that. So kama wewe ni mhusika tafadhali tutafute biashara nyingine.
Kurwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Miamono job monkey asoroboti ruru ikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira mwancho murigererwa ikiraga igano ngokorera Amayia Ensa Eyemo korinde nyoro mnachikoraga chinsa isato ayamona yanda manke gati abo siasa chobo mobwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya ime county ya Nakuru na baigo siasa chobo mobwa Kenya Kwanza sensemeria ya Embu na baigo Tharaka Nithi nincho koretera na inda senchira ere yobekiranu gendra utwaro burigererwa robya ime ya Ndizi TV na bobwa nsubo mugusi ekarongo kwenyore buna na bakoendra gutobwatia sensemeria ya Facebook